Today in this video, we will discuss an important topic, especially for older adults, sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the loss of muscle mass with age, which can affect mobility, independence, and quality of life. Fortunately, there are ways to prevent and slow down this muscle loss, mainly through proper nutrition and physical exercise. In the next few minutes, we will explore the best foods to include in your daily routine and the types of exercises to focus on to keep your muscles healthy. Let's get started. Just before, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming health videos. To preserve muscle mass and combat sarcopenia, it is essential to maintain a diet rich in high-quality proteins. Fatty fish rich in omega-3s, salmon, sardines, mackerel. They are not only high in protein, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a key role in reducing inflammation and protecting muscles. Omega-3s help limit muscle breakdown and support recovery after exercise. Eggs. A source of complete protein, eggs contain all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair. They are also rich in vitamins such as vitamin D and B12, which play a key role in maintaining muscle and bone health. Lean meats, chicken, turkey. These are concentrated sources of high-quality protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. They are low in saturated fats, making them an ideal choice for preserving muscle mass while avoiding excess fat. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, flaxseed. These are true nutritional powerhouses, rich in plant-based proteins, essential fatty acids, and fiber. They help nourish muscles while providing healthy fats. Chia and flax seeds, for example, are also good sources of omega-3s. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, red beans. They are rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, which help protect muscles against inflammation and oxidative stress. Legumes are also an excellent alternative for vegetarians and vegans. Dairy products, plain yogurt, cottage cheese, skyr. In addition to being a source of protein, they are rich in calcium and vitamin D, both of which support muscle and bone health. Calcium is especially important for muscle contraction, while vitamin D helps with calcium absorption. It is an excellent source of complete plant-based protein. Tofu provides all the essential amino acids needed for muscle building and repair, making it a great option for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. In addition to proteins, some foods provide essential nutrients to support muscle health and combat sarcopenia. Here are some examples. They are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for muscle health and regulating inflammation. The healthy fats they contain also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin D. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli. They are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle function by helping with muscle contraction and relaxation. Green vegetables are also a source of fiber and antioxidants, which protect muscles from inflammation and oxidative stress. Berries, strawberries. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and protect muscles from premature aging. They are also a source of vitamin C, which is crucial for muscle tissue repair and collagen production. These foods, rich in healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, perfectly complement a diet aimed at maintaining muscle mass and fighting sarcopenia. But diet alone is not enough to effectively combat sarcopenia. Physical exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass. Here are the key types of exercises to prioritize. Resistance exercises, strength training, weightlifting. These are the most effective for stimulating muscle growth. They activate muscle fibers and promote strengthening. Using weights or strength training machines places muscles under tension, encouraging their development. Regular muscle strengthening activities. Walking briskly, yoga and Pilates are excellent alternatives for gentle but regularly strengthening muscles. These activities require no special equipment and can be practiced by everyone, regardless of fitness level. They also improve mobility and flexibility, which are essential for maintaining independence in daily life. Balance between cardio and strength training. While resistance exercises are vital for building muscle, cardiovascular activities such as walking, swimming, or cycling are also important for overall fitness. A combined training routine that includes both cardio and strength training helps preserve muscle mass while supporting cardiovascular health. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you soon for more health tips. Take care of yourself.